Is there any correlation between watching a slow motion video of a product and our perception of how luxurious that product is? Hi, Amrit here, co-founder of CoreVoice, and in this episode of CoreInsights, I want to share about a slow motion experiment published in the Journal of Marketing Research in December 2022. So the researchers ran a series of 12 experiments, all designed to test the effect of slow motion video ads on consumers' perceptions and behavior. So after watching a video ad, either in slow motion or at regular speed, the participants shared their perceptions of the luxuriousness and their overall desire for the target product or brand. Across all 12 experiments, the researchers found that when a video ad depicts a product in slow motion, consumers judge the product or brand as being more luxurious and therefore desire it more. Basically, they are willing to pay more for the same product even after they are actually given the product to touch and feel. For example, participants in one of the experiments were split into two groups and were shown either a slow motion or a regular speed video ad of wine before getting to sample the actual wine. And then, even after they tasted the wine, participants who viewed the slow motion video ad of the wine rated the same wine as being more luxurious than those who viewed the regular speed video ad. I'm guessing intuitively it makes sense, right? And this is why probably many brands do keep showing slow motion stuff in their ads. But what is the explanation behind such perceptions that we carry? I'll tell you two phrases that are important. One, feeling of immersion, and two, hedonic value. Immersion is basically a state of feeling fully absorbed into something. Like, I'm assuming you are fully absorbed into listening to me right now. Just kidding. So when we are fully engrossed and immersed into anything, we temporarily lose the sense that time sort of passes very fast. And that's the feeling of immersion. Now, hedonic value, it basically refers to the pleasure or enjoyment that we derive from a product or experience. So now what happens is, slow motion video lets us watch intricate, fine-grained detail in every movement. So this extends our vision beyond its natural default capacity, and that in turn generates a much stronger feeling of immersion. See, luxury goods typically give us multi-sensory pleasure and emotional gratification. So when those feelings are triggered by slow motion video, we associate the product itself as luxurious. Another interesting finding, slow motion video boosted purchase intentions only when it was hinted that the product being shown was a luxury product to consume. Like, for example, by encouraging consumers to reward themselves with an expensive splurge. Something like that. So when such a clue was missing, although the perception of luxury was established, it did not translate to actual buying behavior. Alright, hope this insight was useful. At CoreVoice, it is super important for us to be aware of findings like these as we help our clients with story-led marketing and brand strategies. See you soon with yet another insight.